Hello everyone, today I will introduce the setup and command scheduling for the multifunction card. Open LED setting, enable the multifunction card in the software section, and enter the password 168. It will then appear in the main menu. Next, go to the multifunction card section. The first part is sensor information. After entering, click Detect. You will see the information of the connected multifunction card, and it will also display the data from the temperature and humidity sensor on the card. The second part is relay control. Click Detect. Here, you can control the relays on the card, turning them on or off. You can set a timed schedule for the relay. Or if you have connected a sensor, you can control the relay based on the information received from the sensor. The third part is auto brightness adjust. After connecting a light sensor, you can set the brightness to change when the sensor detects a certain value. For the timing command, you can choose the function you want to perform and edit the time. As long as the LED setting software remains open, all functions will automatically run at the scheduled times. Thank you for watching.